Guys, for today's video, kakain na kami ng tanghalian. And we have here a chicken. Then, dito meron tayong gravy. Ipupour natin siya sa ating kanin.
It's so yummy. Ma!
It's so tiresome to run, man. Look at that home. Yes.
Look at the sauce. And then, meron kaming bagoong, guys. Ayan, bagoong. Sarap. So, first bite natin.
Look, great of you to join us, Kev.
First bite.
This place has no loot. Oh, yeah,
Chicken.
no loot.
Coffee is mine.
Bagoong. Ayan, may bagoong. And the rice.
Oh my.
First bite.
I might have blown up the staircase, but I see something at the top.
Wow.
Oh my! Are you kidding me?
Stop it from killing my frog. What is this? Kev, are
Isa
you
pang
in a
bagoong,
water
guys.
sea? Is this an airship?
Whatever it is, what is?
Alam nyo ba?
Oh my!
Pag kumakain kami sa Jollibee,
I use this thing. Do I need?
lahat ng gravy,
Like, yo, I think I'm...
nilalagay ko sa kanin. Tapos kukuha ko ulit ng extra.
Yo!
Second bite.
You look like you're
Bagoong.
at like an amusement park ride.
Up.
I don't want to leave the frog behind. How do I land this thing? Wait, how do I go down?
Six bite.
Oh, we should probably check on the chip.
Yeah, we should look around here.
Seven bite.
I'm dropping bombs. Guys, I gotta get out of here. Oh my goodness, it's slippery. Guys, don't. Doesn't see me. Okay, I'm so small and insignificant. Oh, what's happening? Oh, they're hitting it. They're hitting it. All right, I gotta. It's breaking all of the trees. Oh my. Yes. He takes fall damage, right?